A mother and father in adjoining cells, accused of dousing their teenage daughter, Anusha, in acid. Her crime, looking at a boy. He approached our house, her father, Mohammed Zafar, said. She turned to look at him. I told her before not to do that. I started beating her. Then her mother brought the acid. It left its mark on her mother, Zaheen, who gives a chilling account of Anusha's desperate pleas. She said, I didn't do it on purpose. I won't look again. By then, I had thrown the acid. It was her destiny to die this way. The couple say an older daughter had already disgraced the family. They didn't want to lose face again. Police showed us the remote village in Pakistan-administered Kashmir where the attack happened. They say the couple kept their daughter here for hours afterwards, in agony, denying her medical help. Later, they told neighbours she attempted suicide. At home, Mohammed Zafar pointed out the place where an atrocity was committed in the name of honour. I couldn't do anything, he claimed. Her mother poured the acid on her. I tried to wipe it off. His other children look for comfort. Too young to understand what happened to their sister. A girl who was good at school and helped with the housework and was killed for looking the wrong way. Orla Gearan, BBC News, Islamabad.